After filling this out, I kind of want it to be.
This is our squad filling out COVID forms at the airport. You see, last year, England was a lot more strict about its travel policies. Up until August of 2021, you had to have multiple COVID tests, the vaccine, and do a 10-day hotel quarantine. Being that our trip was only 10 days, we didn't think it was worth it. However, in August, England lifted its quarantine policies, and we booked our plane flight with less than a month to spare. Don't be fooled, there were still some hoops that we had to jump through. We needed a negative COVID test within 48 hours of our flight. Once we arrived, we had to do what they call a day 2 test to prove negative once again. Leaving London, we would have to have a negative rapid antigen test before boarding the plane. You get the point. So we show up to the airport with our negative COVID tests in hand, only to find out you had to log in your information into an app. Yeah. And like any airline would, the app was super straightforward, very clear instructions.
That was a bird in the airport.
We eventually made it through security, celebrated Amanda's birthday, and we boarded our plane. Quicker than you can say, dodgy. We arrived. That's fun. Welcome to Camden. Welcome to Camden.
Thank you.
See what's out here. Oh, it's gonna be bright. Oh. We decided to stay in an eclectic area of London known as Camden Town. Right on the canal, has a huge market and delicious food.
First meal in London. Luke showed us some nice
Indian grub.
Oh boy.
Indian grub hub.
And look at this view
Over here.
on the canal. We are living life.
You gotta come to London.
See you at 4.
There you go.
We wrapped up our first day by doing a swab party. Like I said, you have to do this day 2 test and you have to book it before arriving in country. So we booked the tests, had them sent in the mail to our friend's flat, and then had a swab party that night.
What are we supposed to do?
We're collecting a specimen from the back of our throat.
Okay. Alright, who's going first? Let me know.
I'm
Priscilla's got it.
than the other. You know how to